Gloria Onito, ma'am. Today, I'm going to discuss to you the assigned report, and it's all about GMO, or should I say, a genetically modified organisms. So, what is GMO? So, a GMO is a genetically modified organism. It is an animal, plant, or microbe whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. In other words, GMO can be designed as organism whose genetic material or DNA has been modified in a way that does not occur naturally through the introduction of a gene from a different organisms. So, as you can see in this example, the tomato that's of GMO is bigger than the organic tomato. So, let's proceed into the history of GMO. So, Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen made the first genetically modified organism in 1973, a bacterium resistant to the antibiotic kanamycin. So, the first genetically modified animal is a mouse, who's created in 1974 by Rudolf Ginich by introducing foreign DNA into its embryo. So, this is the result of Ginich's experiment. As you can see in the picture, on the left side is genetically modified mouse, while on the right side, we have the normal lab mouse without GMO. Maybe you're asking, are GMO safe? Safety ba kaning GMO para sa mga humans? So the answer is yes. 100% yes. Because there is no evidence that a crop is dangerous to eat just because it's genetically modified. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, U.S. Department of Agriculture ensure that GMOs are safe for humans. So, like what I said earlier, GMO is safe from humans, plants, and animal health. So, here are the examples of approved commercial products with GMO. This is the cotton with GMO, the corn with GMO, and the last one is the potato with GMO. Many GMO crops are used to make ingredients that Americans eat, such as cornstarch, corn syrup, corn oil, soybean oil, canola oil, or granulated sugar. A few fresh fruit and vegetables are available in GMO varieties, including potatoes, summer squash, apples, papayas, and pink pineapples. People have been altering the genomes of plants and animals for many years using traditional breeding techniques. Artificial selection for specific desired traits has resulted in a variety of different organisms, ranging from sweet corn to hairless cats. That's weird, you know. But this artificial selection, in which organisms that exhibit specific traits are chosen to breed subsequent generation, has been limited to naturally occurring variations. So, in recent decades, however, advances in the field of genetic engineering have allowed for precise control over the genetic changes introduced into an organism. Today, we can incorporate new genes from one species into a completely unrelated species through genetic engineering, optimizing agricultural performance or facilitating the production of valuable pharmaceutical substances. Croplands, farm animals, and soil bacteria are some of the more prominent examples of organisms that have been subject to genetic engineering. Again, let me remind you that GMO is very important. Why? Because it increases supply of food with reduced costs and longer shelf life, faster growing plants and animals, food with more desirable traits, such as potatoes that produce less of cancer-causing substance when fried. And last but not least, the topic of GMO is very important because to us as an individual and to us again as a student, this is very important because it involves questions questions related to food safety, human health, ecosystem health, and the ability to continue to make genetic improvements of plants. So, hope you learned something in my discussions for today. And that's all. Thank you.